Okay, so I ran the wires up to where the ceiling fan's going to be. Put the ceiling fan bracket in there. Had to go up in the attic and run a wire from this switch box up and over to that spot right there. Did that. I'm starting to prep the ceiling for drywall, getting all the plaster out of the cracks of the lath. I got about half of it done, and then right now I'm fixing any of the lath that's broken. There's some, you can see some right there. It's broken. I just cut all them to size what I needed. I'm going to start tearing those out, nailing the new ones up, and then I still got plaster to get out of these cracks here. And then also these openings to the attic, I need to put a wall, some wood behind there, so I can put some insulation in there. I've already started over there, and that's what I'm up to right now. Get this done, and then I'll have to clean up all this plaster and sawdust and blown in insulation off the floor, and clean up all this wood, then bring some drywall in here to put on the ceiling. And I'm going to replace that window too. It's going to probably be one of the last things I do. All right, that's the update.